mean, right now we've seen Republicans and their only focal point in both Congress and in Raleigh is upping costs for North Carolinians across this state and across this country. And we've seen that from the rising health care cost. Right now, state employees, which represent over 1 million people in North Carolina, that have seen the lack of a state budget impact both their raises this year, but also their health insurance costs this year. Health insurance premiums and their copays have doubled for state employees right now across North Carolina, not to mention the fact that everyday people have also seen their health insurance costs rise up to triple to quadruple the amount of money that they were originally paying last year for it. And we can't negate the fact that right now we have people like Michael Whatley who have invested stocks in big pharmaceutical companies that are benefiting from what Washington, D.C. has done by passing the BBB. And what that's looked like is actually allowing or not allowing for negotiations to happen when it comes to actually negotiating prices for pharmaceutical drug companies at the end of the day. You know, what we saw under Joe Biden's administration in Congress was him taking on the fact that insulin was costing too high a month for people to actually access it who needed it to. And so they came in and negotiated with drug companies to bring the cost of insulin down to $35. What the BBB has done is prevented people from having that access with certain drug companies. Those drug companies are the exact ones that Michael Whatley currently has stocks in. And we need to ask ourselves as North Carolinians, do you want that type of person right now representing you in Congress, someone that's going to benefit from off the backs of yourself? Or do you actually want someone who has made his entire career standing up to the people who are taking advantage of you? And that would be our Governor Roy Cooper right now.